How high is this thing off the ground?
30 inches, I think. 33. Should be in the sunlight.
Hey, buddy. Come here. Want to get a drink?
Is that a GoPro? Is that a GoPro?
No, it's just a regular Sony.
Oh. I hear these people talk about GoPros and never
GoPro. Kevin or Alan's got a GoPro.
Yeah,
They're pretty cool.
it's got some kind of mount that you can mount it inside a vehicle, right?
Yeah, they're.
Four-wheeler.
Yeah, you can use them for.
You have to just drop it down a little bit.
Oh, you just shook it.
Did he cut the other one for the...
That's the one that's the long one. That's a couple.
You wanna lift these up? Yeah, we can put it right on this. You wanna pick it right up, put it on here so you can screw it better. Whoops.
Guess her age.
19?
30.
30. Wow,
32 actually.
pretty good for a 30-year-old.
This is going to drop down another 8-10 inches. It's raised high right now, so this is going to come back farther.
Why is that going for large?
Right, if you got what you got. I'll show the farther on you.
Yeah, I guess it's our destruction, huh?
Yeah.
Well, it's not connected. That's what inside of it, right?
Nice. It looks like the angle's pretty good, huh?
They started going around in the horses.
Okay, so,
I record.
so very carefully then, huh? You'll beat that up very carefully, and then for our bracing, for our 3 pieces, and then the bulk of it, we'll put that in the first.
We did this on first.
And some plywood.
Yeah, wherever you can bury it in, probably farther up, right? Is that your back there? Turn it a little bit. How's that? We went 13 and 3/4.
Starting to go a little faster now.
Not bad.
The fence. You a dork.
Oh, looking good though, guys. Yeah, and then just take the third one.
Maybe some screws, bro.
I don't. It's so weird. Buster. It's so uncomfortable. Really?
Alright guys, the last clips that you saw were me recording of the horses. Anyways, we're sitting over here with my sis. Hi.
Hi.
Hey. How are you?
Fine.
Alrighty then, good. Okay. Yeah, we're sitting on this bench in front of this big tree with a pond. We got a pony over there. That's right, that's a pony. And we have a pond that we're at. Can you see the bottom? Oh, look at that. Look at the bug. I think that's a bug right there. Right there. Oh, something crawling on me. Yeah, anyways. We got those horsies over there, too. Got that one. Oh, focus, focus. There we go. Got that one and that one. And... Hold on, people. People, we are hearing mysterious ticking noise. No, I'm just kidding. We are hearing like the frog. I don't know what it is. It's like, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's the pigeon over there, sis. There's a pigeon right there. It's a pigeon. Oh, he just flew away. I'm sorry. Well, I guess they're camera shy. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah, we also have more horses over there. I think we have, I think there's only one actually. One more over there. Yeah. Pretty cool pond under this nice cool tree, you know. Nice cool tree. Look at it. Can you see the face? Anyways, pretty cool. Pretty cool.
I don't know, the closer I get to it, it doesn't seem to be too bad.
Hi.
But it's not.
Look at people, it's horse poopy. Horse poopy there. Horse poopy there. And right there.
Stop.
And horse poopy over. Really horse. Really horsey. Oh boy. Getting in a fight here. Come on, I thought you loved each other. Anyways, there's horse poopy over there too. I think you can see it from here.
That would drive me nuts having that shit on my face like that, no? Yeah, but it's better than having
Where'd this go? So sorry.
Put something clearer in there, no?
He is so cute. Or she. It's a pony, I think.
It should be pretty.
Fired as a horse.
Let's use the grill one. That's
Putting in the railings.
David! Get back. Here's some more food.
gotta have that vibration.
Push me over, ain't you?
Yeah. on the truck today. Sorry for that last 3 minutes of boring shit. But I gotta throw a brace under here in case the hydraulics fail. It doesn't come down and kill me. Obviously my brace is kind of rusty. And I'll show you what we gotta do here. Start to do here. Alright, I got this here to help support some of this. Hold on, let me get the tripod. Get you guys set up over here somewhere. Alright, that's sort of like where we gotta be. Doesn't actually have to hold anything at the moment, it's just in case it fails. Anyway, as you see, this bracket, or this channel iron, it's a little rusted out, and this fill pipe thing needs to be reattached better than this. So we're gonna dick around with that. Get that rebuilt today. These are some of the items that don't pass inspection, so we'll see about replacing that, mounting this a little better. I also need to replace the fill pipe on this, because this one's got a leak in it. And as you can see, ratchet binders doesn't pass inspection for a tank strap, so we need to replace that. Shouldn't be too much of a nightmare with the, obviously with the bed not in the way. So some of the other rust issues, I'm thinking about taking this bed right off. I just ain't gonna deal with trying to fix all of this. You know, it's way far gone. But, you know, I could take this off, put a regular flatbed on there, actually leave the scissor hoist while it's still working, and work off of a flatbed. But obviously we need new tires to get that thing on the road. I mean, these are pretty rough shape. They just don't pass. Look at this one here. Nothing. Completely bald. So we need to address those issues. Obviously some of the light fixtures will be changed when I get a different bed on there. But without the tractor here, this project getting this bed off is not going to happen today, obviously, because I need the tractor here to pick that off. But while Colin's here and willing to help, he's going to run down and get the welder from the father-in-law's house, and I got the cord for it here to run it out here, and we'll tackle this project over here today, and hopefully get this thing back on the road in the next, before winter anyway. Somebody's got her own channel now with no videos on it yet.
Yeah. I'm working on it.
No.
Yeah. I'll get there.
It's a camera
Yeah. Which I have.
on your phone.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Don't you like how people look into the monitor over here instead of into the camera over here? It's like, hi. I like to look at myself.
6,
Actually, no.
8, 75.
But yeah,
Yes, I
check
have.
out Tam to Mom on YouTube. Not now, because there's nothing there.